Today, we're diving into a feature that's designed to transform the AI assistant Claude from a generalist chatbot into a powerful, specialized teammate. Let's get into how it all works. We've all seen AI assistants do some pretty impressive things, right? But have you ever felt that little gap between their general smarts and the very specific, nitty-gritty tasks you actually need to get done? Yeah, you're definitely not alone. And that really gets to the heart of the problem. A generic AI can draft a basic email, sure, but can it create a sales report using your company's official branded template? Or build a web prototype using the exact frameworks your dev team uses? This is where good enough just doesn't cut it. To bridge that gap, Anthropic introduced Claude Skills. And you shouldn't just think of this as a simple upgrade, it's more like giving Claude an entire toolkit, a whole set of professional-grade superpowers it can call on at any moment. So what exactly is a skill? Well, it's a self-contained little package of instructions and code. Think of it like this. Instead of having one AI that knows a little bit about everything, you have an AI that can instantly equip itself with deep, expert knowledge for a very specific job. The process itself is just brilliantly simple. You just make a request in plain English, like you normally would. Behind the scenes, Claude figures out the right tool for the job, runs all the specialized code securely, and then hands you back a polished, expert-level result. Okay, so that's the theory. But let's actually see these skills in action. We're going to look at a few examples for different kinds of professionals, and we'll kick things off with the creatives. So for anyone in a creative role, designers, artists, marketers, skills can be a massive time saver. We're talking about automating everything from brainstorming fresh visual concepts to producing content that fits your brand perfectly. And this slide just shows the incredible range we're talking about. On one hand, you can ask Claude to be a generative artist, creating these really unique visual patterns with code. Then, on the other hand, it can put on its graphic designer hat and produce a polished infographic that follows professional design rules. Two totally distinct skills, leading to two wildly different creative results. All right, now let's shift gears from the design studio over to the office. In the corporate world, skills are all about cranking up productivity by plugging directly into the tools you're already using every single day. Okay, this is a real game changer. Claude isn't just spitting out a blob of text that you have to copy and paste. No, it's creating native, ready-to-use Office documents. Need a Word doc with track changes for a legal review? Done. Need to boil down a dense report into a PowerPoint deck? It'll generate the slides for you. And maybe the most impressive part, when it makes an Excel sheet, it builds it with live, working formulas, not just a static table of numbers. This is a perfect example of the